Hello and welcome to the second segment of this three-part Rick and Morty special of drawing tutorials with Kieran. And today I'll be drawing Morty. Quick point: if you missed the first of this three-part from last week, just go on to the link below in the comments and you can watch it there. So, here we go. Let's get started. So, the first thing I'm going to do here is to start with his eyes. So, we want two round circles with a dot inside each of them, like so. Now, once you have done that, we want to do his nose and mouth. So his nose just goes in between his eyes and a bit lower, and it's like this. Like that. Now his mouth. That goes directly underneath his nose. And you want to do his mouth expression like he's a bit scared. So it's going to be like this. Now, once you have done that, the next stage you want to take is to draw his head and his ears. So we want to do a round circle and two round ears, like so. Now, onto his hair. His hair goes from his ear to his other ear. So you just want to draw like a squiggly line. Do his hair like so. Now, step 4 is to start on his body. So we want to go from here to do his shoulder, which comes out to there. Now a little line, and then go up a bit, and then follow that line down. And do the same on the other side. Shoulder, line, up, and then down. So you have something that looks like this. Now you want to do his arms and hands. So from this line, you want to go down And when it gets to just below this, you want to draw his fingers. And then that back. Then do the same on the other side. Now that you have this, you want to draw a line across so that he looks like he's wearing a t-shirt, like he is. Now onto his legs. So you want to follow this line down like that, then leave a gap. So that you have his legs. Now you have this. Now this step is his shoes. So you want to draw a line across, go down a bit and another line, and do that for both, like that. Now his shoes, you want to draw a line from that, go across, and then connect it up so that it's kind of triangular shape, and do the exact same on the other leg. Like so. Now we come to our final step, which is to colour him in. So the colours you will need I will now show on the screen, hopefully. Can you all see that? Now, so now you know how to draw Morty. So I hope you have enjoyed today's episode, and remember, tune in to next week for the third and final part, where I will be drawing another character, which will be Pickle Rick. And a small reminder that you can find my Facebook page in the link below. And if you go onto my Facebook page, you can send me your drawings that you have done using my tutorials, and I will put them on a virtual photo gallery. So, thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you next week. Bye-bye for now.